How to withdraw crypto from Bitget to another wallet or exchange. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Bitget to another wallet or exchange. For example, this is how to transfer Bitcoin from Bitget to another wallet. So firstly, once you've logged in, you want to go to the wallet icon in the top right, and then you want to click on withdraw. On the next screen, in the top drop down, you want to pick the crypto you plan to withdraw. For this example, I'm going to pick USDT. As I am sending this to another wallet, I want to make sure this is set to on-chain withdrawal. You will then need the wallet address and network of where you want to send your crypto to, which you will get from your other wallet or exchange. In this example, I'm going to transfer my crypto to Bybit, but generally speaking, you can find the wallet address of where you are transferring your crypto to by going to the other exchange and looking for something along the lines of deposit or deposit crypto. If you want a tutorial for how to find a wallet address for a specific exchange that you may be using, then I recommend checking out my channel, as I have videos explaining how to find wallet addresses on lots of different exchanges. So now I'm on Bybit in the deposit crypto section, and I want to pick the crypto that I plan to deposit, which is USDT. Then to get your wallet address on Bybit, you need to pick the network you plan to send your crypto on. If we flip back to Bitget for a second, you can see all the networks that Bitget can send USDT on, along with their associated fees and estimated arrival times. I'm going to pick one of the cheaper but faster ones, which happens to be Arbitrum1. And I'm going to go back to Bybit and check that Bybit can receive USDT on Arbitrum1, which they can. So now I have picked my network. Bybit has given me my wallet address for this specific crypto and network. Wallet addresses will vary if you change either your cryptocurrency or network, and it's critical to pick the correct corresponding wallet address and network when transferring crypto, otherwise you risk losing your funds. I'm going to copy my wallet address from Bybit, and it's always worth copying the address or scanning the QR code rather than typing it manually. So now I'm back on Bitget. If you're likely to send to this wallet address again, then you can add the wallet to your address book by pressing the Manage Addresses button to the right, and this will take you to a new screen where you can add it to your address book. But I'm not going to do that today, so if I flip back to the withdrawal screen, I'm just going to double check if the network is set to Arbitrum1, and I'm going to paste my wallet address here. You then need to press the next button, and now you can key in the amount you plan to send. And there is a minimum withdrawal amount of 10, so you can key in the amount here. So I'm going to key in 10, and now you can see any associated fees, and with this there is a transaction fee of 0.1 USDT, and so the amount I will receive on my other wallet is 9.9 USDT. Once you're happy with this, you can press withdraw, and it's always worth reviewing the crypto network and other details before sending. And in addition to this, if it's your first time transferring to a wallet, then it's always worth sending a small test amount of crypto first, because if you key in the details wrong, then you will lose your funds. So once you're happy with this and that you have read the agreement, you can tick the box and press the button that says agree. Then depending on your security settings, you will need to verify that you own this account. And after I entered my two-factor authentication details, you can see that I have withdrawn my 9.9 USDT. And after a period of time, which varies due to the network you picked earlier and congestion, your crypto should turn up on your other wallet. For those looking for new exchanges, I have put some links of the ones I use down in the description below, where some of them have deposit bonuses, and I may get a kickback if you sign up using them, which massively helps support this channel, and I will be forever thankful. So anyway, that is how to withdraw crypto from Bitget to another wallet or exchange. If you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with crypto, you may be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token, so I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.